Hello everyone, I am here today with this beautiful, beautiful package I received yesterday in the mail from my wonderful, wonderful sweet friend, Belinda Coombs. Thank you so much, Belinda. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it, girlfriend. You did not have to do that. But I so, so much appreciate it. It made my day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at it. How pretty is that? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And inside this beautiful bag is, ta-da, this gorgeous journal that she has made me. Oh my God, Belinda, it is gorgeous. I had to open it whenever I saw it. I couldn't video right then because my husband had the TV too loud. But, oh my gosh, I love this. I love, 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 love it. She's got this lace here where it ties closed. Look at this beautiful image. I'm going to lift it up. These gorgeous flowers. Oh, and there's a card. And the card says, "Dear Donna, Merry Christmas to you for being a sweet friend. Hugs, Belinda Coombs." And it says, "Come let us adore him." Thank you, Belinda. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But look at this. It has the word believe. It's a little Christmas journal. And look at all the beautiful, beautiful detail work she put into that. I mean, she does some beautiful work. If y'all have not seen her work, oh my gosh, you're missing out. That's all I can say. You're missing out. Look at the beautiful flowers. I mean, she's got so many layers. She's got some little flat back pearls, appliques, trims, lace, the word believe. I mean, just layers upon layers upon layers of nothing but beautifulness. Gorgeous. And when you open it up, look at this. And it's very well made. It's made with heavy-duty chipboard and cardboard, and it's machine sewn together. She's got a pocket here. Look how pretty that lace is. And look, she even put an image back behind. So when you pull out what she has in there, and look, oh my gosh, look at all these beautiful papers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Belinda. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the images. She does not leave even one detail out. When she does something, she does it perfect. There's a pocket here with another image there. I mean, it's gorgeous. Another pocket I can put something in. Look at this. Look at this. How pretty is that? And she's coffee dyed the paper. She's inked around the edges very lightly. It's just gorgeous. Look at this beautiful paper. Reminds me of vintage wallpaper. It's just gorgeous. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And look, a little mini pocket envelope with a little tag. How cute is that? And it says love. How cute. How cute. So adorable. So stinking adorable. Very pretty. Look at this. Just gorgeous. And look at this page, y'all. How pretty is that? Vintage sewing machines. And she's added some lace here. How pretty. And a dress form. How pretty, pretty, pretty. And she's rounded the corners. Love, love, love this. Oh my gosh, look at that pretty lace. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. And she's added tulle. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Lots of writing space. And look, more beautiful, beautiful snippets she's added, and lace and buttons. Oh my gosh, how pretty this is, Belinda. How beautiful. I have to make you something and send to you in return. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. It's very pretty. And look at the trims. How gorgeous. And look, how pretty is that? How stinking beautiful. It's adorable. I love it, love it, love it. Gorgeous. All this gorgeous prettiness. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Look at this beautiful image. And then here it is, the back. And look, she's attached it with a button. But I want to show y'all, in this little flip, she's used the same images as she's used in this book. Isn't that pretty? And look how she's sorry, hand sewn that in there with the X's. Isn't that pretty? And she's added this little bling here. It's just gorgeous. And you can take this out and take it anywhere if you need to. You could actually fit this into your purse, which is what I might do. And then I will have it with me all the time. I have another one of her journals. I've used it up now, but I used it to keep track of all my swaps and things that I do. But I love her things. She does not leave any details undone. If you want somebody to help you or teach you, I'm telling you what, and Belinda loves to do that. She is the one to go to. I'm telling you. This is just gorgeous. If you have a question on how to do a craft or need help making a decision about something that you're working on, I'm telling you, she's the one to go to. She's got it covered, ladies. I'm telling you. Oh, and look at the back. Look, it says handmade, and she's added a little porcelain flowers here, some of those. Look at these beautiful trims. I mean, how gorgeous. How very gorgeous. Just beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Belinda. So very much. And y'all, Belinda is on my design team. And this beautiful talent is why she is on my design team. Because she is wonderful. She is so talented, and she's just talented. I don't know how else to put it. She is very talented. She's very good at what she does. She thinks of things that I don't even think of. Like, look, right here, she's added all these little seed beads. I had never thought of doing that. I saw that, and the journal I'm working on, I went and added some to mine. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Belinda. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, girlfriend. Thank you.